In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rent a home in Zillow. 2026 full guide. Finding the perfect apartment is all about moving quickly while staying precise, and Zillow's tools make that doable. Start by opening Zillow.com on your desktop and tapping the Rent tab, or use the Zillow Rentals app on iOS or Android. Type in your desired city, neighborhood, or zip code to see what's available right now. If you already know exactly where you want to live, zoom into the map and use the draw tool to circle the exact streets or blocks you care about. That way, you won't waste time on listings outside your target area. Next, narrow the field using high precision filters. Set your monthly rent range so you only see places that match your budget, then choose the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you need. Under home type, pick apartment or condo co-op and select room if you're open to a shared living situation. Refine further by lifestyle needs, pet policy for cats or dogs, in-unit laundry, parking availability, and your move-in date. As you browse, keep an eye out for the verified poster badge. It's a quick way to confirm you're looking at a legitimate listing from a landlord or property manager. Once your filters feel dialed in, save time by saving the search. Hit Save Search, then turn on instant alerts via push notifications or email. In fast-moving neighborhoods, great places can be claimed within hours. Instant alerts give you that crucial first look so you can reach out right away. When a listing catches your eye, dig into the details beyond the base rent. Check the total monthly cost by noting security deposits, application fees, and any pet rent. Use the rent Zestimate as a benchmark to gauge whether the price aligns with similar homes nearby. And whenever possible, prioritize listings with 3D home tours. A virtual walkthrough helps you assess the layout and flow before committing to an in-person visit, saving you time and effort. When you're ready to connect, use the Check Availability or Contact Manager button to introduce yourself and send your renter profile. In 2026, a pre-filled Zillow renter profile with your income, credit score, and preferred move-in date lets you apply with one click. That streamlined approach helps place your inquiry at the top of a busy inbox and shows you're serious and prepared. And that's it. Use these tools thoughtfully and you'll find a place that fits both your lifestyle and your budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.